Hey, Sean Tepper here. I'd like to say thank you for being a valued customer of Tykr. I really appreciate it. I have good news. The new Tykr mobile app is live for both Apple and Android. Now, I have a request. When you have a moment, could you leave a 5-star rating on either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store? If you're not sure where to go, you can simply scroll down to the YouTube show notes, and I have links for both within. The more 5-star ratings we can get, the more people will see our app, which means more people can confidently manage their own investments. Now, aside from the 5-star rating, if you want to go a step further and leave a written review, you can certainly do so. All I'm asking for is maybe 1, 2, or 3 sentences, and some highlights to think about would be, is it easy to use? Is it easy to navigate? Does it help you increase your confidence with investing? And what is your favorite feature? An example would be the new educational modules, which are kind of inspired by Duolingo. Again, thank you for being a valued customer, and thank you in advance for leaving a rating. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy the new Tykr app. We'll talk to you soon. See ya.